Why are my subscribers reducing? Why are your subscribers reducing every time? Sometimes I'll see 28 subscribers, I will see 30 subscribers, but before I wake up like this, it has reduced to 11, 9, 15, all those kind of things. Oh God. I'm here to tell you the reason why. I'm here to share with you what might be causing all those things, because I've experienced it. Even from that my channel that I'm monetized, I've experienced it there. My other channel again, I'm still experiencing. Even this channel, I'm experiencing it. So I'm here to share with you the reason why you are losing subscribers, the reason why your subscribers are reducing every time. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Yinka by name. So let's get right to the topic. Our today's topic, as I said earlier, is the reason why you are losing subscribers every time. Number one reason I will first talk about is most people actually unsubscribe from your channel. That's the truth. There are plenty reasons though, so just chill, just wait. And the reason why might be maybe because they lack interest in your content now. They are not interested in the kind of videos you are making. And again, number two that I would say is your video quality is poor. When your video quality is poor, some people will unsubscribe from your channel. Like me, my video quality, I can't say is the best, but I'm managing it because my own principle is this particular channel would feed itself. I'm earning in one channel, but that particular channel, I'm not using the money, or I will not use that money to sponsor this channel. So this channel I can't say I would not use that money though, because I've used the money I got there to buy mic and stands, tripod, all those things, but that's enough. This particular channel would feed itself. I've done enough for this channel. That's my own principle. And my phone, I'm using Redmi, I'm not using iPhone, so I don't really see my video quality is low. I don't think I'm ready to change it right now. I don't think I'm ready to change to iPhone or buy any other gadget unless I'm monetized on this channel. When I'm monetized on this channel, yes, I will do that. Maybe I will buy some gadgets and some necessary things for my video quality to be okay. But if your video quality is far worse, I don't know, please, you can just try and get some little things that can make the video better. And if you don't, and okay, the number one priority is if you are giving people what they want. If you are giving people what they want, if they are receiving good value from your content, people will not unsubscribe. I believe people will not unsubscribe, but some people will say unsubscribe. That might also be the reason why subscribers are reducing. Sometimes our video quality might be so low that they cannot cope, might unsubscribe from our channel. And again, you used to upload every day, or you used to upload 3 times in a week. Please be consistent with your upload, because some people are really they have interest, they like what you are giving them, and anytime you upload, they take your channel serious. And anytime they've already know the time you used to upload. Sure, you get, they already know when you be live, when you upload your videos. But if you are not consistent, they will switch to another channel that is related to your channel. You know, this YouTube we are playing today is really oversaturated. So be serious and be consistent with your upload. Know the time. If you are uploading 5 o'clock, let your 5 o'clock be 5 o'clock. If you are uploading 2 o'clock, or maybe Mondays, Tuesdays, sure you are consistent with it. God will assist us. I know it is not easy, but God will assist us. So try and be consistent. Again, it might be changing audience interest. You should not feel bad about it. I think it's normal. We are human. We do change. It might be that you are always repeating things, like repeating topic, repetition of your repetition of your content, like you are repeating content too much. If you are repeating content too much, might lead to them to unsubscribe from your channel also. So all these keys, all these things I'm saying, please let's note them and work on them. Again, it might be lack of transparency. If you are not being transparent in your videos, it might lead to people to unsubscribe also from your channel. This leads me to subscribing without watching. Maybe your friends or your family members, your loved ones, if they subscribe to your channel, if you tell them to subscribe to your channel, it is actually good, it is nice, it's part of you pushing your content more, but to make sure they are watching your video to the end. If they don't have the patience to watch your video to the end, because they are your friends, they are your family, they might not see anything like you want to say, they might not be interested actually in what you're talking about. So just collect their phone, and maybe when they are sleeping or doing anything, they are in their free time, just collect their phone and play your video. Make sure you watch it to the end, or make sure you play it to the end. If you will not play it to the end, make sure the average view duration is okay, it makes sense. So when they subscribe like that, YouTube will not count it as bots. YouTube will not unsubscribe them from your channel. But if they don't watch your video to the end, or if they just click and click out, YouTube will unsubscribe them. These are the kind of things that is causing us to lose our subscribers. And again, people that are doing sub to sub, maybe on one video you are saying, it's very, very common, subscribe to my channel and I will subscribe to your channel, all those kind of things. If you know that you want to subscribe to anybody's channel and watch their video to the end, even if you don't watch it to the end, let the average video duration make sense, so that YouTube will not count it as bots and remove the subscribers. Because so many people are complaining, in fact so many people have complained, or they will still complain that I subscribe to your channel, you don't subscribe to my channel, you unsubscribe yourself. Is not the reason why that person didn't unsubscribe, and that person might unsubscribe in a real sense. But one thing we should all know is, if we are doing sub to sub, or if you want somebody to subscribe to your channel, let that person know that, please watch my video. Say it, like text it, watch my video to the end, or try and watch it in a nice way that will give me good average view duration. When you say that, the person will understand. And you too, when you want to subscribe to them, do the same thing, so that YouTube will not wake up one day and will see that, oh, you unsubscribe from my channel, and in recent that person did not unsubscribe from your channel. It is YouTube that unsubscribe them from your channel. And in a way, you might still even be seeing that person subscribing to your channel, like it might still be showing they subscribe, but YouTube have removed them from your subscribers, and you'll be seeing low subscribers. The subscriber counts will be showing reduction, -1, -2, -10. In fact, I've seen I've seen -10, -20 before, -24. In fact, I didn't know all these things I'm saying. I didn't know. I was so frustrated at that moment. Like, what is wrong? That particular channel I got monetized, it has happened to me. I was like, what is wrong? What did I do? Like, why are people unsubscribing from my channel? So those are the things. And again, when you subscribe to a particular channel, try and drop a comment. That relates to that particular title, that relates to that particular, and that relates to what that person talks about in the video, so that YouTube will count it as bot if you say anything. Because I saw one comment and it does not even relate to what I said in that video. So please, whenever you want to drop a comment, try and drop a comment related to what that person talked about, what that person is saying. Because all these things we are doing sub for sub, YouTube knows. They know everything. So if you do it in a legal way that they will accept, make sure you watch that person's video to the end. Make sure you drop a comment that makes sense on that person's video. I hope I've enlightened you on some things that you might not know. the reason why your subscribers are reducing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow this channel. Let's help each other. And if there is any particular topic you want me to talk about, just drop it in the comment section. I will talk about it. So see you in my next video.